Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2021 Ford F-250. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, a trailer hitch, and more. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.